Welcome back to CCTV Setup Guide. In this video, I will show you how to configure the Cloud P2P settings on a HiLook DVR. Before we begin the configuration, please ensure that your DVR is connected to the internet using a LAN cable. For this setup, I am using a wireless range extender or repeater because the primary internet modem is located outdoors. However, you can use a standard modem router as well. As long as there is an active internet source, the system will function correctly. To complete the setup on the hardware side, connect your DVR to a monitor screen using either an HDMI cable or a VGA cable. Now, let us move to the monitor display to adjust the network settings. On your monitor screen, navigate to the Configuration menu and select Network. If the DHCP option is currently disabled, make sure to check the box to enable it, and ensure that Auto Obtain is also turned on. Click Apply. Once applied, verify that the DVR has automatically received a new IP address from your router. Next, proceed to the Platform Access tab. Ensure the access type is set to Hikvision, then check the box next to Enable. A service terms prompt will appear. Check the box to confirm you have read the terms and click OK. Initially, the connection status may show as offline. Simply click Apply at the bottom of the screen. The status will immediately update to online. The Cloud P2P on your DVR is now successfully activated. Now, let us switch over to the smartphone to link the device for remote viewing. On your smartphone, you will need the HiLookVision application, though you can also use the Hikvision app called hik-connect. For this tutorial, we will use the HiLookVision app, which is available on the Play Store. Once installed, open the application. Before adding a device, make sure you log in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, tap Register, accept the terms, and select Indonesia as your region. You can register using either an email address or a mobile phone number by selecting the option at the bottom of the screen. Simply follow the prompts to complete the registration. Since I already have an account, I will log in using my credentials. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Scan QR Code. Alternatively, you can select New Device and choose Scan QR Code. Point your phone camera at the QR code displayed on your DVR monitor. Wait a few moments for the application to retrieve the device information, then tap Next. You can skip the audio option and the installer authorization prompts. The device is now successfully added to your phone. To view the cameras remotely, simply tap the play icon. We have successfully accessed our DVR live feed using the HiLookVision application, and it is now ready for remote monitoring from anywhere outside your local network. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.